Imagine if you could literally hear your thoughts, or at least have your text read back to you in stunning, lifelike voice. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of text-to-speech technology using SpeechBrain and Python. If you've ever wondered how AI can transform plain text into natural-sounding speech, you're in for a treat. We'll show you every step of the process, from setting up the models to generating your own audio file that you can play anywhere. So if you're ready to turn words into sound, hit that subscribe button and join me on this tech adventure. Before we jump in, here's what you need. Python 3.9 or later installed on your machine. Virtual environment setup optional but recommended. The following Python libraries: Torch Audio, IPython, and SpeechBrain, and of course Curious Mind Ray to explore AI. First, we import the required libraries. Notice that we're using the inference modules for Tachytron and Hifigan. This is the current best practice for accessing SpeechBrain's pre-trained text-to-speech models. Here we load our pre-trained models. Tachytron converts text to MEL spectrogram, and Hifigan transforms that spectrogram into waveform. Both models are trained on the LJ speech dataset, meaning you'll hear generic yet natural voice. In the text-to-speech function, we take your input text and generate a MEL spectrogram with Tachytron. Then using Hifigan, we convert that spectrogram into a full audio waveform. We immediately play back the generated speech and also save it as a WAV file for later use. Finally, when you run the script, it prompts you for text, processes it through our models, and then outputs your audio file. Voila! Instant speech from text. And that's how you create text-to-speech system using SpeechBrain and Python. If you found this video mind-blowing, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave comment below with your thoughts. And don't forget to follow me on Twitter for more tech insights and behind-the-scenes fun. Link in description. Remember, every new subscriber helps us on the journey to 500 subs and beyond. Lo aprecio. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.